Oh. What the
Okay,
fuck?
I'm back. What have you guys murdered this
I'm
time?
holding Gordon up, fine.
They've murdered
Well,
Gordon.
you see,
Spencer.
Pence, I decided to give Jack a helping hand. Because Spencer is broken. So, to give him a helping hand, I coupled up to him and dragged him along. His loco derailed, which then caused my tender to derail, which then caused his tender to derail, and then finally we came around the corner and Spencer just caused Gordon to fall over entirely.
But you're at the flour mill. Where's that?
Flower.
I'd like to point out the only wheel
was actual
of Gordon's
flour.
that is currently on the rails is his trailing bogey, and even then it's not on the rails.
Where's
So
the
where
flour
are
mill?
you guys now?
Whiskers, can I delete your tender and see if he keeps drifting?
Nah, just leave it. Let's see how far we can go.
Chance, I am at Knapford.
Something that can stop us
And
coming
the
up
others?
right now.
Ben's in that.
I'm in. Mm-hmm. They're somewhere after Marin. At the
Alright.
flour mill.
No, we're not at the fucking flour mill.
We're on the loop line.
Oh, good. Thank you, Jack, for giving me an actual response. That wasn't shouting at me or that.
Already fucking mad. I'm gonna be shouting for a while.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
we know. We've sat through it like 100 times.
Jack, may I ask, who stabbed you in the back with a kitchen knife?
Mom.
Oh, I thought it would have been Dan.
Oh my God.
Stabbed me in the back. What?
Oh, fuck.
Well, there
You
wasn't
okay,
really any
Whiskers?
point, and I said not.
It's alright.
There wasn't really any point, and I said not to delete his tender.
And Cameron deleted the tender.
I
No!
don't know who deleted the tender.
It was Jack. It wasn't me.
I say Cameron because he was the last person to ask.
I didn't touch
And
it.
prob-
Neither did I.
Well,
Well, it wasn't me. I was too busy trying to get him back on the fucking tracks. So
It was God.
I said no. Oh, hi,
Hello.
mate.
No, go away.
well, I mean, God is a bit of a wanker.
Jack, you bitch!
I
That
didn't
was
do
me.
anything.
That was me. If you want to
Yes.
yell at me.
I'm at Dryor!
Wait, what?
How the hell did you end up at?
what did I miss now?
Oh, God! Some
Man.
dickhead called Jack and Cameron.
I didn't do
Okay.
anything.
No! The
Jack-
small died!
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Ben, before you start bitching at Jack, it was me, because on my screen, you were a bit further away than where you actually were. So I walked ahead of you, thinking that I had time. Nope. So
You're an
before you
idiot,
go,
then.
And where are you with Dryer? I don't see you.
so before you go bitching at Jack, you can yell at me instead of immediately assuming that fucking Jack did something.
So it's in Nafford.
Cameron.
I think this is the first time he's come to your defense, Jack.
I think it is.
It's a momentous
Still.
occasion.
I know. Someone get the champagne.
I caught it on film.
No, listen. I'm gonna mark the time in my own dead server that I use for. Okay, let's see. 11:49 a.m. A.m.
Oh God, worldly bird of death.
Ooh, coaches.
Leave
November
my coaches alone.
November 27th, 2022. I stood up for Jack.
Can you shut up?
Hello, Harold.
Ah! Emily.
For fuck's sake, it took me like forever to get those sodding conflats. You twat.
Hey,
Hey, you said I could. You said I could moan at you, and I'm going to.
no. I was just gonna say hey, and then I was like, wait, I don't have anything to say.
No, you don't.
I have Birdie. So if somebody wants to grab an algae and just fuck around. Wait.
I want to keep my coaches, thank you very much.
I've hit a car.
Have you
Smooth.
done that?
I don't know. I'm trying to drive.
Shh.
I'm not.
I'm gonna put like a proper season like 7 here and just gently fly towards the ending.
Hello,
Oh, hello there, Jack.
will you stop trying to land on my funnel?
It's not Murdoch.
Have you been in
Bernie.
an accident? It wasn't your fault. You may be entitled to financial compensation.
Yes, yes, the car. Yes, the car insurance. Oh,
Geico, save 50% or more on car insurance.
I don't think your
Indeed.
insurance covers helicopters
Oh, shit.
running at.
Al,
Yeah.
Chance. Hey, Chance, I'm trying to drive a bus.
A bomb?
Bus.
A bus.
That bus is dead. Oh God.
I think you're a bit dead too.
You okay?
Ah, my,
Oh.
my coat is still here. Thank them.
Oh, oh my God.
What in hell?
The look on Harold's face. It's
Have
just
you been in an accident that wasn't your fault? You may be entitled to financial compensation.
Harold. It was your fault.
Goodbye.
The fuck?
Shut up, Murdoch. Nobody likes or adopted.
Have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault?
Oh God. Hang on. I'm getting Diesel. I'm getting
You
Diesel.
made him sad, Cameron. You made the
I'm
gentle giant
Maybe
sad.
financial compensation.
I'm getting. Harold.
Please, can you all fuck get away from me?
Harold.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh god!
He's gonna do a barrel roll.
And go.
I
Harold.
don't want to end up at Dryor again.
No, you're not gonna end up with tomorrow. Just go.
Diesel.
No, you're in the.
compensation.
It's okay. I'm just spinning. Look, I'm just spinning. Look, you'll be fine. Just go.
No, go away. Go. Cameron's in the yard. Go there.
Okay.
I don't want to yell at you.
Off he goes. He's gonna go harass
Oh,
Diesel now.
Oh.
And by
Jack, you're
harass, I mean fucking murder. Holy crap.
I did that.
Jack. You.
Oh.
I zoomed out for that. I'm glad. I'm glad I zoomed out for that.
Hello, Murdoch.
No, please.
Have you been in an accident? It wasn't your fault.
Push Cameron. I'm the one.
Baby
No.
trees. Oh, back around, back around, back around, back around.
I'm coming.
Back around again.
I'm not gonna do it. Look back.
Tree truck! Tree truck! I have found the tree
I
truck.
can't currently see where I'm going. So that's
Have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault?
Please
Fuck
don't.
you then. It's not my problem.
Anyway,
Arrow,
so where are the buttons to change? So where are the buttons to change weapon shit again?
African American.
Whoa!
Shut up, you. What was that, Whiskey?
I said, where's the buttons to change weapon shit again?
There should be a little spanner on the side of the screen. You click there and you click the weather.
It's Cameron.
The weather button up on the corner.
I'm on the station roof
Yeah.
again.
And then it gives you an assortment
Hang
of...
on. Don't touch me. I need to get the truck. I need to get the drug truck.
Drug truck. Oh
Yo,
no! Leave the tree truck alone!
No. Not the one of trees. Not the tree truck. No. Tree truck dead. Screw force.
No! The tree truck! You
No.
bastard!
Murdoch, I need to inform you of something very important.
Go away, Harold. I don't want to know.
Oh, Murdoch, it's genuinely important. You need to know this information.
Please go away, Harold. I don't want to know.
Have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault?
Go away, Harold.
I'm going to pick up speed now.
No, fuck off. I asked you nicely.
I'm trying to, but I'm stuck. I need all that.
Cameron,
Diesel.
stop, you imbecile.
I already did. Diesel has
Good.
drugs. Diesel has drugs.
Shit,
What the
shit,
fuck?
shit. We're fine. Pull up. There we go.
Oh.
No. No, I can't see the rest. No, I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, no.
You have too much. How are you blinking?
I think I either hit something or stopped.
That's
I'll
the
give you a
movement.
new train.
The helicopter is fine.
Keep going.
Sliding, thank you.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
And stop.
Good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Too good.
Apparently they're good.
Yeah, I wouldn't know that. So where are you with?
They'll find me soon enough.
Oh god, he's
I
on the
did.
truck.
Hi, Diesel.
What was that?
Get off my
You'll see
drone.
me soon enough.
Hold on, wait. I need to do the proper one.
Oh,
Well, we're
That-
all at
Oh
Netford,
my
we're all at
God!
Netford Yard.
Jack! Jack! Jack, you moron!
have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault? Well, you know what? Fuck you. I don't care. Goodbye.
Oh my god. Man just came out of nowhere and blew him away.
How about you actually do it when he's on the fucking rails, you fucking retard?
Oh my
Funny
god.
then. Because I have to cause an accident to be able to answer. You think an accident wasn't your fault?
Please no.
You fucking retarded alcoholic piece of fucking shit.
Please,
There's one whose team can't score against England and is genuinely fat in a school shooting every other Monday.
please stop. Leave me alone.
Oh god,
Just
here we go.
watching. Oh no, I see the issue.
Hello.
Please no.
How do you
Please
change
leave
this
me-
thing?
How do you change it? Yeah, how do you change Harold's places?
Touch
no,
the
it's-
nose. Boop the nose.
No, leave it, 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 leave it.
Oh.
Hey, Doc, I've got some very bad news for you. You need to listen to me very closely.
Oh my god, how... I hope people are taking screenshots of this.
I'm only going to speak. I'm only going to say this once. Have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault? And then you are not entitled to financial compensation.
Okay.
Harold Copter, away!
The insurance copter.
I mentioned the copter has named himself Harold Copter.
Oh, what the...
Oh, Diesel, he's coming back around. Look out.
He's like a He's like a mosquito.
Go
Get
away.
rid of.
Where's the giant bug slapper?
No fuck.
Hey, go sell your insurance to the Rockstar. Go sell your insurance to SS Rockstar or something.
Fuck you. You piece of what shit.
Murdoch, I need to tell you something very important. More important than financial
Oh,
compensation.
no. Oh, not again. What do you want?
All of your siblings are dead. You are the only one left and they do not love you. Goodbye.
Okay then.
Ah, I've been run over! The cameraman has been run over! Help!
Harold Copter, quickly, away!
Get
Shit,
back.
I can't take off! Oh, fuck you.
Away he goes.
Get back!
Screeching into the night.
Shrieking like a lost soul.
Where is Chance in all of this?
Oh god. He's above me now. Oh god. Oh man.
Murdoch's dead. He's gonna go harass you now.
What? Stop. What? What do you want?
I need you to listen to me very closely because I'm only going to say this once, okay?
What?
I'm going to get close to you, hold on.
What do you...
Whiskers, where are you?
You made
I
me
have-
entitled financial
I'll be making my way over soon.
Brain cells of a 2-year-old. Harold Copter, away!
You wanna know the funny thing, Jack? Jack, you wanna know the funny thing? I couldn't hear you over Ben and Whiskers.
I don't care.
Oh no.
Ow.
What? Oh, yeah,
No,
John,
no, we're being eaten by the engine wash. No.
Why is it every single fucking time we make a running joke in one of these fucking calls, the fucking second I get involved in the joke, somebody talks over the fucking joke.
You have been involved in the joke, though.
Single fucking time.
We have a problem.
Problem, where are you? Hold
That'll
on.
be
Yeah,
Now for Chance, Jack, please come here and respawn Murdoch. Shut up, Cameron.
No. Fuck.
Respawn Murdoch.
Have you been in an accident that wasn't your fault?
Respawn Murdoch, Jack.
Okay.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay.
Chance, could you turn the Chance, you turn the turntable
Yeah.
to my face, because I want to get over here and I want to just dunk. I want to dunk
Yes.
Diesel on. I want to.
Yes, we have
Hmm.
we have a problem, Jack.
I see the problem.
What?
It's gone.
Fuck.
I think we need to restart the whole server.
Oh,
No.
Broken it.
Stop.
Why, what's
Yeah.
happened?
We can't respawn Murdoch without the engine disappearing.
We've broken
Oh, no.
Murdoch. He
How
got
do we
fed
go
up
with
with
Murdoch
Harold's
decided-
harassment.
Murdoch
so he
decided
just-
he chooses the stratosphere rather than
Damn it!
be driven by any
Harvey, no!
God damn it!
Jack, why?
Jack, you fucking moron!
I'm now blackface.
Jack, you
Oh
fuck.
my god,
Edit.
that's horrifying.
Harvey's dead.
Jesus.
Have you all
Fuck.
been in?
Fuck.
Hold on.
Give
One, two, three.
What the Jesus!
Have you all been in an accident that wasn't your fault?
Here's a gun!
Well, fuck you. I don't care. Goodbye.
Leave us alone.
No, you're a punching bag.
I'm gonna say the N word on Twitter.com.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wait.
Right,
Well, Ben, you're about to see me passing through.
I've already left. I'm gonna shut down the server, then we'll have to rejoin.
Oh no.
Wait for Harold to fly over again. I have an idea. I can solve this.
I, bet
I
it's
can fix
like Diesel on
everything.
the turntable or something.
I can fix
Okay, we're
everything.
him
those
into a-
coaches.
Get your ass back here, Jack. It's time to.
I'm in the. It's okay. I'm on my way in the insurance company.
I'll get back in position.
Chance, just tell me when he's gone over, then I'll
He's here.
shut everything down.
Don't break the diesel. Don't break the diesel. It needs to
I
be
won't
done.
break- Cameron, you are where you should not speak.
There, everything is solved. You can shut down the server now. You can shut down the server now, Ben.
Hey, I'll shut it down, then we all join back again.
Oh my god,
Finish
black.
No shit!
Oh boy. Oh no.
Oh my god,
We're
Cameron's
getting
black.
canceled. We're getting canceled now. Gonna stop recording.